Absorption refrigerators become largely affected in the heat, especially with summer coming. This vent draws cool air in and it goes up. On this particular one, there's a chimney up on top. Some of your RVs have a second vent like this up top here. It's very important to have a clear airflow. Another thing to think about though is the sun. Right now this is in the shade. I'm going to show you ambient temperature of 80 degrees and we are sitting at 87 degrees on that wall. Now same temperature, 80 degrees ambient temperature, and we're at 99 on the sun side. So that will affect, that radiant heat from the sun is going to affect how your refrigerator works. You can see the big difference in that temperature with being in shade versus sun. So keep that in mind when you are picking a spot for your RV in the summertime. You want to make sure, if you have an absorption refrigerator, you want to make sure that you can try to get this in the shade. Benefit of this RV is that it has the awning, so the awning can actually come out and protect it. They do make other features that attach to the gutter and it swings down like a shade and stakes to the ground that you can use in that situation where you can't park in that shade. But definitely want to keep that in mind as the summer heat comes, because it will affect your refrigerator and how cool it keeps everything inside your refrigerator and freezer.